Pack a large order with me. First of all, they ordered 30 rabbit ears, so 10, 20, 30. A bag of natural twists, a large trachea, a large yak, 2 normal trachea, 3 pizzles, 200 grams of sprats, a moon bone. Then second box, they ordered some salmon oil, a turkey pate, a beef pate, a liver paste, a camel roll, a hairy billy roll, a rabbit hide, a lamb roll, a buffalo roll, a buffalo braid, 4 Nature's Variety turkey freeze-dried bites, Pet Munchies chicken treats, Life of Riley dental sticks, Coach's trading treats, a free 80-gram pate, and a Best Bargain behaviour bone.